So imagine you're making a stew. You toss in some carrots, some potatoes, some chicken broth, and a candle, maybe a book, and a splash of lighter fluid to top it off. That sounds gross, right? But that's exactly what a lot of people do when it comes to writing their AI prompts. They throw every idea they have and just hoping something good's gonna come out of it. But the biggest secret with AI is called garbage in, garbage out. AI is going to just give you whatever you give it. But if your ingredients are disgusting and they don't make sense together, then the result is going to be a mess and ultimately guide you down the wrong path. So if you want AI to serve you up something delicious, something that's actually going to help your business move forward, then you need to be intentional about what you put in the recipe. And that's why I created my free download called How Not to Sound Like a Robot: 5 Secrets to Better AI Prompting. And inside, I'm going to show you how to craft prompts that get tasty, business-ready results without all the questionable ingredients that's probably giving you food poisoning. Download your copy of the free guide below, and let's start making an AI stew that actually is something you're going to want to eat in your business.